good evening, everybody. Standing in front of many incredible artists and industry leaders is really a dream come true for us, me, and we'd like to thank Billboard Korea because we got to add this experience to our core memory. On behalf of Beanie, it's ultimately an honor, and we are so grateful to receive this award. But you see, this award isn't just for us. It's also for those people who believe in us and who have been a part of our journey. From our hardworking team and management, ABS-CBN, to our music label, Star Music, to the composers, songwriters who have contributed such memorable songs for Beanie. Thank you so much. To our support system, our families and friends, to our Blooms, we love you guys. Thank you for your love and dedication that you put on to us. And of course, Billboard Philippines, thank you for nominating us and for continuing to champion Filipino music.
Yes, and being here tonight with so many talented artists inspire us to keep pushing boundaries and to share our music with the world. This award reminds us that anything is possible with hard work and dedication. To our fellow artists, we admire and respect each and every one of you. To our fellow P-pop group SB19, thank you so much for inspiring us. And yes, we're so excited to be here, and of course, yeah, we're nervous actually because this is our first.
Yeah, it's our first time to be in Korea together as a group, and we're just full of happy emotions right now.
Yes. Patuloy po namin iangat ang musikang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Diba?
Pagaling ka. Okay.